To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take 4 large portobello mushrooms and remove the stems. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of diced tomatoes, half a cup of chopped fresh basil, and half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix well. Now, spoon the tomato mixture into the mushroom caps, dividing it evenly among them. Place the stuffed mushrooms in the preheated oven and bake for about 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. While the mushrooms are baking, prepare the balsamic glaze. In a small saucepan, combine half a cup of balsamic vinegar and 2 tablespoons of honey. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Cook for about 5 minutes, or until the glaze has thickened slightly. Once the mushrooms are done, remove them from the oven and drizzle the balsamic glaze over the top. Garnish with some fresh basil leaves and serve hot. These Caprese stuffed portobello mushrooms make a perfect appetizer or a light meal. Enjoy!